Acute trauma at any point in life can cause damage to the temporomandibular joint that can ultimately bring on those disparate symptoms. And then functional malocclusions, of which can be major or even minor, well, not minor, moderate, because patients can accommodate minor functional malocclusions if they're really minor. But the point is, you will hear from the orthodontist, how in the heck does straightening your teeth decrease the disparate symptoms of TMD? And the answer will be, well, a malocclusion of whatever kind he's looking at will stimulate bruxism. And we know bruxism damages the joint, which creates the chronic inflammation, which creates the symptoms, which the orthodontists don't know that part of it, but the malocclusion will stimulate bruxism. Well, that is not fact. Malocclusion, even if you have a high spot, I mean, you know, the general dentist, we all know, I went to dental school, you know, if you have a high spot, the patient will focus on it. And if they are bruxism, they'll focus on that one spot, that one high crown, day and night. And at night, they'll brux on it. They'll brux on it. But it isn't the high spot that is causing the bruxism. The fact is, well known, well established, statistically proven that bruxism is created somehow, we don't know how exactly, by anxiety and stress. And if you want to add worry, stressors. That is statistically proven, and it is also intuitively known by everybody. If you live on planet Earth, you have to deal with stress and anxiety.